3 more fresh products to help you build your brand.
Welcome to another episode of FreshFinds, where we share a few products to help you promote your brand. My name is KJ.
I'm Jen. How are you doing today, KJ?
I am great, Jen. How are you?
Fantastic.
Well, we have a few items to share with you today. Jen is going to start. What do we have first?
Right, today we have the Yowie vacuum tumbler. So this is an 18-ounce double wall tumbler. It has a really nice acrylic lid that pops open, and you can see the nice stainless steel inside, so it keeps everything cold or hot, depending on what time of the year or what you're drinking. So it fits on there, has a nice sliding top opener on the top, so that's really convenient. And this one actually comes in the powder coat or the regular colors. So there's a bunch of different colors to choose from, and just to kind of connect it better with your brand.
So this is also available in full color, screen print up to 2 colors.
That's true.
Laser engrave also.
And they run really fast in terms of getting them. We can get these produced in 3 to 5 business days, depending on the print method, and get them over to you really, really fast.
And there is that 24-hour option
That's right.
available.
So if you're in a little bit of a bind, we can get them off to you really quickly to make sure we can get them to your event. If you notice, it has a non-skid bottom on there, so when you're using it, it's really not going to go. It doesn't go sliding away.
Yeah.
So KJ, tell me about this thermos you have.
Ooh, I have a Thermos King vacuum food jar, 16 ounces, and your logo will go opposite the Thermos logo here. And production time is 3 business days. So what's really neat, your spoon, everything is included.
I love that.
Nice.
Can I see the spoon?
You can. Open it up.
Comes
Show
out
them.
of there. I love this.
Yes. You're never without a utensil.
That's
That's
perfect.
the worst. I have soup. What am I going to eat it with? I forgot my spoon. Never again.
Ta-da.
Yep.
Yeah, and it'll keep things really hot in there, which is nice, or cold if you needed it to, I suppose.
Yes.
It's a really nice option to give maybe to your employees or to really good customers. That would be a really nice gift item that they would save, and your logo would be branded
and you're gonna
forever.
use it again and again.
Yeah,
for
definitely.
work, for outside, summertime, winter, hiking, you name it.
Speaking of cool swag, did you know swagging rights can actually boost your marketing?
Here's how it works. When you go into your past orders on our site, you'll see a button that says Swagging Rights. Just click it, upload a photo of your team or event using your branded products, and boom, your logo is out there.
And it's not just for fun. Those photos give other people ideas on how to use promo products, but they also act as free advertising for your organization.
So Jen, finally, what do we have today?
Well, we have our Hang in There lanyard. These are one of the most popular lanyards that we sell, and mainly because they're a really nice quality product with a metal swivel clip at the bottom, which makes it really super nice.
Really is very nice, and a nice size imprint area.
You're right.
For a lanyard, you have a lot of space.
There's
to
a lot of
use.
space. People will sponsor things and put their logo and an event logo all on one lanyard, which is nice. You have the ability to do that.
Yes.
And it comes in a lot of different colors.
Yeah, many colors.
Production time is actually 2 business days.
Okay.
So it's quite fast. It also has the removal clip right here.
Oh yeah, that is.
So that is a
actually very
nice feature.
And the nice thing about lanyards also is it allows you, you can kind of hook it, around
Exactly.
something. So you're not going to lose it. So your lanyard is secure wherever you are, and you
Exactly.
can see it. So you're like, oh, where's my stuff? There it is, with this bright blue lanyard.
Right, exactly.
Right.
And it'll hold up because these
Sure.
are made of nice polyester, so it's actually a really strong material that's not going to cave on you. This is our 40-inch lanyard, but we also come in, what was the other size?
45 inches.
45, so you can do either size, which is a nice option, especially depending on, what event and your attendees and things like that. That's 3 more fresh products that will help you build your brand.
Thanks for watching. Join us next time for another episode of
Fresh Finds.